Hi, this is Joyce from This or That Creations, where I inspire you to be original in all you do and just be you. Today I'm participating in an open invite challenge hosted by Border Bananas called Flippin Friday. Please make sure to check out her channel, and while you're at it, please check out that playlist link down below with all those amazing DIYers. And hey, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And hey, you know the drill. Like and follow me on my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell for notifications. Thank you. Let's get started.
I'm out of breath. You whisper gently to the silent trees. I won't forget. You know the secrets of the late night breeze. It's all pretend. Don't you worry now. Don't you worry now, my love. An easy slip and then you're out the door. You had enough. These empty vows come again no more. Oh, it's all pretend. So don't you worry now. Don't you worry now. All this soon will end. Don't you worry. It's not safe to be on your own. It's so far from home. As long as I